Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Metaphysical Moment, your go-to spot for exploring the mysteries of the universe. I'm your host, Will, and today we're diving into a topic that might just blow your mind. Of course, we're talking about sacred geometry. Now, before you roll your eyes and think it's just shapes and math, let me stop you right there. Because this stuff goes way deeper than that. These aren't just pretty patterns, they could be the actual blueprint of the universe. So grab a seat, get comfy, and let's unravel the mysteries of sacred geometry. So what exactly is sacred geometry, you might ask? Well, I'm glad you asked. See, imagine that everything in the universe, from the tiniest atom to the largest star, is connected by certain patterns. These patterns aren't random, they're sacred. They represent the fundamental design of the cosmos and reflect the underlying order of everything. Think of it as the universe's secret code hidden in plain sight. And the best part? These patterns show up everywhere. From the spirals in seashells to the petals of a flower, from the structure of your DNA to, get this, the shape of the galaxies. It's like the universe is showing off its artistic side. Cool, right? Well, let's break down some of the key shapes in sacred geometry, starting with one of the most famous, the flower of life. Picture this. It's a bunch of overlapping circles that form a flower-like pattern. And here's the kicker. Many people believe that this shape holds the blueprint for all life forms in the universe. It's been found carved into ancient temples and sacred sites all over the world. Is that a coincidence? I think not. And then there's the Fibonacci spiral. You've seen this one, trust me. It's the spiral you find in seashells and hurricanes and even in galaxies. It's based on a mathematical sequence that just works. Seriously, this shape pops up everywhere. But let's not forget about the platonic solids. These are like the building blocks of the universe. We're talking cubes, tetrahedrons, and more. Plato believed that they represented the elements: earth, air, fire, water, and ether. It's ancient science meets cosmic spirituality. Now here's where it gets really fun, right? Here we go. Sacred geometry isn't some new age trend. Ancient civilizations were all about it. Take the Great Pyramid of Giza, for example. It wasn't just built to be impressive. Its dimensions align with sacred geometric principles like the golden ratio. And that's not even the only place you see it. The Sri Yantra in Hinduism is an intricate pattern of interlocking triangles that's been used for thousands of years in meditations and rituals. And let's talk about cathedrals. Medieval architects were no slouches when it came to sacred geometry. Many of Europe's most famous cathedrals like Notre Dame were designed using these principles to create harmony and balance, drawing people in on a spiritual level. It's like they were building a giant energy conductor. Ever felt that unexplained awe when you walk into one of those places? Yeah, that's sacred geometry working its magic. Okay, so what does that mean for us today? I mean, can sacred geometry actually impact our lives? Well, you bet it can. Some people believe that just by focusing on these shapes, you can unlock higher states of consciousness, align your energy, or even heal yourself. You ever meditate with the mandala? That's sacred geometry. See, these patterns help focus the mind and connect you to the deeper rhythms of the universe. And it doesn't stop there. Did you know that the designs in modern technology like microchips follow geometric principles? Yep, sacred geometry isn't just in ancient temples, it's in your smartphone right now. It's like the universe's language is being used to power the digital age. All right, now I know what you skeptics are thinking. Will, it's just math. These shapes are everywhere because physics made them that way. And hey, you might be right. Here's the thing, whether you see sacred geometry as a cool coincidence or the actual language of the universe, it's pretty awesome to think that we're living in a world with this kind of hidden symmetry, isn't it? It's like the universe is trying to tell us something through the very structure of reality. Well, maybe it's a reminder that we're all connected, that we're a part of something much bigger. Whether you believe in its spiritual significance or not, sacred geometry invites us to pause and appreciate the beauty in the patterns that surround us. So what do you think? Does sacred geometry hold the keys to the universe? Or is it just another mystical concept full of woo? I would love to hear your thoughts. Shoot me a message, share your experiences, and let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for joining me on this geometric journey today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a review, and as always, keep questioning everything, especially yourself. Until next time, peace and keep those secret patterns flowing.